Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi ASX, stock reference number 4035. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 8th month 2012. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.